Selita here. Remember me from the pizza slime? Yes, and so comment down below, smash that like button, you know what to do. So comment down below for what should I do like for my next video. For our challenge, like what? Because like I have my ideas. So I have slime here, but I have more than this. Yeah. And so we're gonna be like make the biggest bubble. And I have and like all that stuff has signs. It doesn't matter if it's small or big. Yeah. And we have to keep track of the points. And so let's go ahead and get started. So what we want to do is close our eyes and put them out without cheating. And whatever one you touch first, you gotta grab. Okay, so second. Okay, so ready? Here we go. Close your eyes. I'm gonna go for first pick. Help me move my hands. So I got the green one. Yeah, the green one. Let's start with the top. And I didn't have purpose one. So the green one is very cool. Very sketchy. Well, it's smacked against the wall. It's like, it's so hot. It's just like against the wall. Okay, but anyways. Yeah, so I really think this one's gonna win. Oh yeah, comment down below for this time notifications goes to Michelle Obama. Yeah. And comment down below what's your favorite pet. How about that? Okay, Chrissy, close your eyes. I'm gonna pick for you. Okay. No, you have to let me guide. Stop. Open. It doesn't matter which one because it's just a contest. It's it. Okay? Ow. She looks so mad. Okay.
It landed.
Okay, so now we picked our slimes.
Oh.
Now we want to close our eyes.
See, look, it landed.
Now we want to close our eyes. Okay. Here we go. First, let me flatten it out on the ground. Like, I can't even stretch it out. Okay, I'm definitely gonna lose. So whoever can do the biggest, a swirl, at least a swirl. How about that? It's like I can't even very stretch mine out. So like, it's a work in progress. Like horrible and ugly, but it's a work in progress. That's all that matters. Chris, can you do a swirl? I'm guessing not with that small piece. Okay, look up at the camera. Hi, my name's Chrissy. No, you didn't. You shoved this in your face. I'm joking. Okay, so Chrissy's gonna switch spots. Good. She needs to look at the camera. I'm gonna take her spot. Sorry, Chrissy. I'm gonna take her spot. Okay, Chrissy, come on, let's switch. That's a horrible swirl I ever saw. I'm talking about you, not you. Okay. Let's move.
I think you won.
So I won the first round. Ooh, someone's mad about it. Chrissy put down one. Stop. Put down one mark on the paper for me. now, Chris is gonna pick one for me. Close my eyes. One hand. Use this one to cover my eye.
No, this one.
Honestly, I hope it's not horrible.
Wait, your hand out. I need to spit them out.
Wait, you have small hands that can even cover my eyes. Oh my god, no. No, this one doesn't even stretch. Okay, so I got this one. This one doesn't even barely even stretch. You can hear it. So soapy. Okay, Chrissy, cover your eyes, and hopefully.
Yes!
Chrissy got that one. I don't think she thought I was gonna give that to her. Okay, this one's not. This one's honestly not that bad, guys. I'm being for real. It's stretchy.
This one is my favorite.
It's stretchy at least, but it's like not even fully stretchy. Like, see how I broke that? Like, honestly,
that's not even slime.
it is slime, but it's not even like stretchy. So like, and I don't even think it goes back together. Okay, now we're gonna see who can do the biggest bubble. Honestly, let's see whoever can do like
A swirl.
Yeah, another swirl. I don't think I can. Honestly, I don't think I can. Thanks, Chris.
What you get?
She went through the payback. Rejected.
You actually got rejected.
Chrissy, stop. Okay, but anyways, let's move on.
Mine actually kind of looks like clear poop.
Okay, here's mine. I'm about to put it in a swirl.
Not bad.
It's not bad. Honestly, it's not bad. Because I got a little one.
This one. No, it's Selita's. And this one is what mine looks like. It's kind of flat, but it's worth it. I'm going to make my...
Oh, mine's a little
I
stretchy.
messed up, so I'm redoing it.
Shadow person but me. I said, oh baby, don't you wanna be mine? Oh,
now
baby,
this is what mine looks like.
don't you wanna be mine?
Who do you think wins, Selita?
Oh baby, when you want me mine? I'm
Selita.
joking. Chris definitely won.
So we're even.
Yeah, even for now. I'm joking. Okay, put a tally mark. Only one tally mark, Chrissy. No cheating.
Not here.
Good. Put another tally mark for me.
No.
I'm joking. Okay, so now we're going to put them back. This time we're going to do biggest bubble. Just see you're definitely going to lose.
I'm going to win.
1 second.
So my sister's doing something. And comment down below what's your favorite pet. Hit the subscribe button down below.
Okay, so we're back. Okay, crazy time.
No, you go first.
No, it's your turn. Because I already just did. Oh, wait. Yeah, I just went. Okay, move your hand. No. Let me move your hand. I'm not joking.
Really, Selita?
You don't even know which one yet. Payback some ain't it? Okay. It actually did the... Oh, it's actually really stretchy. Can I have this one?
Sure.
No. He's like, sure. I just wanted to make you feel better. No. I'm joking.
Eat it.
No. Eat it. Okay, here's your container. Okay, my turn.
This one's not bad because of how it's white.
Okay. Go. My turn. It's my turn. Come on. Put the hand over. You're not supposed to open it yet. Okay, come on. Chris, I can actually if you throw that at that stomach. Okay, go.
Give me your hand.
Joking.
Peeking.
I wouldn't actually peek. I'm joking. Oh my God, no! Why? You guys see this? Look, where's...
And I got the clear one.
So
Take back, so ain't it?
I shut up.
This one's the goopy one. I don't like this
I
one.
knew you were gonna do that. That's why I moved this one closer, so you can see that. Oh, this one doesn't mean stretch. What? That's not
This
a
one's
thing.
like getting wet.
Because I put too much Tide in it. Ow! Okay. So for now, we're just gonna be like, which one is the stretchiest one? Definitely not this one, because like this one is loose.
Definitely not this one.
Yeah, you got another point because I'm out of the stretchiest one, out of this one, that. It'd be hers. So Christy put a tally mark down. Okay, now we gotta do another one.
That slime is hard.
Ah, don't forget we have big ones like these ones. So Christy, you might have to get me one of these because like I never got one of these yet.
Me neither.
You still have a chance to get them.
Haha, you only have one tally mark.
Yeah, I'm gonna win. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, we're starting now.
You go first.
I did that, so and then Chrissy did me. So it's my turn. And don't forget,
It's your turn. Because I went and then you went.
I just went. So Chrissy, no, it's your turn.
Fine.
Okay. If I give you a small one, you gotta give me one of the big ones because like you know what it is.
And if you give me a small one, no. If you give me a small one, I have to get a big one. Because I didn't get
Yeah. Chrissy has to try to get this one. And I do too. So she has to try to get me this one. Not the small one. Not the small one. Okay. Here we go.
Selita. No.
You had no. I didn't pick that one. How did you know what that was?
Let go of my eye. Oh, it's on.
It's the same one. It's the same one.
Stop laughing.
Stop laughing. Oh my God. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Selita.
You have to give me a big one, remember?
Hey.
Oh.
You can't do it. I can't do it.
Yes, I finally got it. I'm joking. Ow.
Ow. Really? Which one do I want?
Let's do one. How about this? Oh my gosh. Sorry. Oh my god, sorry guys. Now we're watching this. I definitely dropped my phone. Ow! Smack in the face. Okay, so apparently I got this one.
No, you didn't. That's not fair.
I got this one, and my sister got this one. Again.
She cheated.
No, I didn't. Okay, stop. Stop.
Ja.
Cállate la boca. That hurts. Ow! Get off me. Ja. Cállate la boca.
You can't.
Cállate la boca. Ja. Ja! Ja! Get off! Ja! Okay, so let me go, you guys. I'll do speak Spanish. And my sister. That's my mom and my brother. Okay, so my sister has her raunchy sheet.
Good.
Okay, stop. Get up now. This is the last one. Come on. So, oh, we have that one to get too. Oh wait. Oh, we already did.
I need that one.
This one's stretchy.
Oh, give me that.
No, you can't have it. It's mine now.
Fine.
No, stop. It's stuck on my finger. Here, take it. I'm burning icing now. Stop. She don't like. Okay, come on, Krissy. Let's see whoever can make the biggest bubble. And that's obviously going to be me. The stretchiest one I have.
Obviously, we're gonna be tied because look.
No.
Oh, you mean
Krissy still has to get one.
this side?
Stop. You don't need to add anymore. Fine. Now you're getting it.
Good.
We'll see what's going to happen. Where's your container?
For a lot.
If you pour a lot, you'll see what happened to your slime.
To me.
You can keep that, by the way. I'm not keeping that.
It's good to have weird.
She's so weird.
You're weird.
Okay. Don't dump that on me. Okay, so we're going to start by the biggest swirl.
Okay. It's easy.
I'm starting over.
Cheater, pumpkin eater.
Meter. I don't think I heard that one before.
Cheater, pumpkin eater.
I'm getting these all over the floor.
See, you said raunchy instead of cringy. You just said that.
Okay, so I think I won the biggest swirl. Hey! Get that. No one wants that. You can keep that.
Is the video over yet?
No, not yet.
This last
Yeah,
round.
I definitely won. You guys obviously tell. I definitely won.
Look at this. What is this? What is
Okay. Slime.
Slime. It's supposed to be like this. Slime is supposed to be like
Stretchy.
stretchy, not
Definitely.
goofy, not
Anything like that.
stretchy.
Yeah, definitely not anything
Give me
like
more
that.
tied.
No, that's gonna mess it all up.
Good.
You can have that. I don't want it. Okay, so anyways,
I don't care.
we're done.
More tied.
You see, I got a point. Actually, we need to do one more because it's gonna be a tied.
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 You said tied. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna run back to me.
Okay, so as you can see, this is our clipboard. And we have suited 2. Last one. Now Krissy needs to put these ones back and see which one I get, and hopefully I don't get the small bad one. Because I definitely do not want to play with this.
You won't want to play this.
Get your hands off me.
Ugh. And you can't keep giving me small ones, Selita.
Okay. I won't.
You will.
You really look me up like, I won't. I promise. Okay.
Pinky promise.
Pinky promise. Ew!
Pinky promise.
Actually, yeah, I can, because look. This whole time. Okay. because she might end up with this. This, the cool one. My beautiful swirl. Or the not bad one. The normal. The second. The third one. The good third one. Then the fourth good one. And then the last forever ever baddest slime in the whole wide world. Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Like that.
So let's start. Let's see whoever wins this last round. Go. Oh wait, you're to me. Get your fingers off me. Not here.
This one. I'm putting it here, not here.
Okay. Go like this instead. Use your other arm.
I can't get.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, give me your hand. Ah! Give me your hand. Hold my arm. And then
Where am I going?
over here. Hey!
I can't even see. What are you doing? Are you just exercising me? What is this?
Open your eyes.
I don't want to.
If I give you a big one, you have to give me a big one.
Oh, finally, yes, I got the stretchiest one.
It's Friday.
This one's so good.
Yeah,
You have no idea, guys. This one's fantastic.
Okay, do
It's
me.
perfect clear one I ever had, basically.
So can I go? I can't see anything. Where's your face?
Wait, you're just doing that.
No, I actually don't know where your face is. Stop! Don't give me.
Stop! Just let me see. I'm not going to.
Yeah!
Oh, hey. Okay, so now we're gonna see who has the biggest bubble.
Ooh, look at the star, baby.
Krissy, you're gonna lose, by the way. Yeah, so don't forget to comment down below what your favorite
Hit
animal
the
is.
subscribe button
Yep.
and see who you think
Won.
wins the challenge.
I did.
I did. I did. Ow! I did. I did. Nothing.
Comment down Selita best.
Coming down, Krissy. Best. Huh? La 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 la.
Hurry up, Mom, because we're shut the door.
They
Okay.
wanna come back.
So, ready? The biggest, stretchiest of them all. Whoever can make the stretchiest one. Starting
Even.
now. Go. I think it's going to definitely be me. Like, excuse me. It's still going. Mine's very stretchy.
Let's line
Give
it.
me that. Up. It's still going, guys. So, honestly, I really think I won. But we have to check out Krissy's first. Make sure Nala doesn't get that.
Hey!
It's still
Sorry.
going. I messed mine all the way up. Move.
Move.
That was mine. If you come down, Team Selita. So now we have to stand up, grab it, and
I
test
think mine won.
we have to do a test drop.
Sweet, I think mine won.
Test drop. Go. This is mine. Test drop. Okay. There. There. Oh, that looks like a snake. There.
No, grab the snake.
There. This is mine. It's all the way to the ground. I'm not joking, guys. Like, I wish I was harder. So just literally put it on the ceiling to see how long it would go.
Okay, guys.
I definitely won this. Like, no joke, guys. Krissy's really going bad there, but yeah.
I think mine won.
I think I won. Okay, you guys comment down below who won. I think we both did.
Is it me?
It was definitely me.
No, let's play with it.
No.
No.
So,
Blah.
don't scare her.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, now let's put them back.
Similarly.
Well, thank you guys. Comment down below
watching.
who won the last match.
Me?
No, that was me.
Yeah. I won. Hey.
Okay.
Won.